Good morning, everybody, and happy, what is it? I don't even know. It's Tuesday. What's up? If you're here with me in the Discord or the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Tommy, Kelvin, Luke, Frank, Valentine, National, Blissfully Dissatisfied, Travis. It's Tuesday. Good morning to you, Gold Chess Club. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Double RC 1258? Love the name. What's up, Billy Joe? How you doing, Mike? Good morning, Dawn, Session Flow, Yuri, Storm Soldiers, Black Lung Dusk, Andrew JP, Fat Citizen in the house. By the way, if you didn't see, posted on Twitter, Fat Citizen up about 15 grand in 2 days of trade. Wowzers. Dude, this market looks like it just wants to roll, doesn't it? We have Nvidia right now at the VWAP. Oh my goodness. What's up, Penny Pops, Richard Paulo, Ferry Enzo, T, The Trader 1, Alexander K, Cal L, Spiro, Chris, Michael, Tomas, Mr. Bugs, Pie, Richard, Don, Justin, Evelyn, Dunks. What's happening? What's going down? Let's get some tunes going in here real quick. What do we got here? Let's do this one. Let's try this out. Get some of that elevator music going here that everybody loves so much. Good morning, Picky Anya. Morning, Rhinoink. Astrid, Gary, TT Beezy, Forsheezy, Robbie Bobby, Robert. Good morning, Ferrari Phil, Scottoshi, Dylan, Spastric, Big Sexy. What's up? Boy, this is shaping up to be a beautiful short here. If this actually rolls down below these 50s here, kind of want to see if we can snag a couple points here. And we're like right at the tippy top of this volume shelf. There's a big gap in liquidity too. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, they've been showing a lot of bid support that's been stepping in nonstop as we've been coming down, so this could reverse at any moment. This track reflects my account, Mellow. Very nice. MP says, good morning, Ribs. Finally passed my first combine yesterday. Give it up for NP. Nice job. Kind of want to get short here still. Always worry about shorting the bottom though. We don't have any news until the Redbook retail sales out at 8:55. So might have to wait. Be patient. Christopher says up 400 today on my first 150K XFA. Let's go. Ferrari Phil caught a bit of the short. Nice. What's up, Arrow Squad? I did not, Fat Citizen. I need to. I know. I need to. That's still one of my plans to be hitting those in the new year. We have some bidders here at like 52 and 50, 47, 45. I want to see if they take this liquidity or not. Yeah, it looks like people who are short were trying to close that, and then somebody just closed their short there. Interesting. 1220 lows, yeah. How much historical data can be backtested with Bookmap? I mean, not much. You have to have recordings. So if you don't have the recordings yourself, it's kind of good luck, you know? Nvidia looks like it wants to break the VWAP here. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna try a short here. See if we can get down below and then kind of fade this all the way to like 35 or so. So I'm gonna be watching this right around this 50 level. So we get down below this and we actually drop below. This thing could be cutting right below to 35 here. Let's see. So watching for 35s to trade. See if we can get through this 40 area. Big bidder showing up there. as they tend to do. Still have room in the S&Ps as well. Let's see if we can stay weak below 50. Want to cut through all of these bidders here. Watching here at 40. A lot of bidders showing up right below that 60 tick. Yeah, I see that big old bidder trying to intercept all that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, I'm gonna get filled right there. Okay, cool. There we go. Quick 741 bucks in our Top Step live funded account. Short 5 from 471. Let's see it keep rolling. Good luck to you, Justin. I just wanted that quick little, that snack at 35. What do they call that? Not a snack. It's a...
That's what we call a sack lunch.
Oh, that's what it is. Sack lunch. That's right. Blake says, hey, Rips, watched your webinar, and I'm wondering if you can confirm these are valid order blocks when you have a SAC. I do have a SAC. Let's see. Is that a takeout candle? Well, it looks like it. Yes. I would say yes, and... yeah, I could consider both of those valid. Anybody catch that? Move to 35? Anybody out there? If you did, drop a W. Little scalpacito. 3 contracts. Bingo, bango. Hey, yeah, wow, look at that. Sick. Nice work. You know, sometimes you just have to take a trade and be in, be out, get your points, get on with your life. 741 doll hairs. Big fan of that. Yeah, that Brian got it, Mike got it, Double RC, David Arriaga. Well done. Early close today, is that right? No. Not that I'm aware of. No. Who told you that? Early close. Am I... okay, now you're going to confuse me. That's the first time I've heard that. Early close, not today. I've not heard that. Somebody help me with this. Somebody make me feel not so crazy. Okay. Whew. You ever feel... when somebody says something like that, I'm always like, wait a second. My mind is playing tricks on me. Yeah, no. It's a regular old day. It is the final trading day of 2024. Whether you like it or not. And if you wanted to trade on January 1st, 2025, I'm sorry. You can't. Markets are closed tomorrow, folks, which means there is going to be no stream tomorrow either. Unfortunatamente. Chrome update is ready for download. No. I just looked over the corner. We're good. We're good. I fixed it last night. Came home from poker, fixed my stream, and here's the results. We can all trade together again. Isn't that beautiful? It's a wonderful thing, isn't it? Frank, what'd you do over here? Let's see what Frank posted for us to see here. Whoa! Yo! You see this? Frank, I'm sorry for exposing you here, but you have an $8,500 balance? And you made $1,500 in your Express Funded account? Yo! Give it up for Frank. Here in the MC. What's up, dude? That must feel nice. And you're locked, right? Yeah. Well, if that's not a great way to celebrate the end of the year, I don't know what is. My man. That's awesome. Time to go all in to be positive for the year. Definitely don't be going all in. Who caught the long off of 35? You know, sometimes I have conviction of where the price is going to stop, and I should just have that conviction on both sides of the trade, because that would have been juicy. That would have been a 30-point trade right there. Any key levels to look at? Yes. We're at it right now, 457 halves. 457 halves, 497 quarters, 539 evens. And there's your cheat codes for the day. Up, down, down, left, right, A, B, A, B, start, select, up, down, thingamajig. What is that, Contra? Who's old school in here? Thanks, Ferrari Phil. Contra, that's right. That game slapped. That was a banger. They came out with Super Contra. Oh man. And Contra 3 on the SNES. Oh man. That's what I miss. Good games that you could play next to your buddy. I don't really have that anymore. All Konami games had that code. Yeah, I know, right? It was sick. It was sick. F-Zero? Did that have it too? I feel like, I wonder if kids would get the same entertainment that we got from those games. Like today's kids. Dude, this market has no chill, just literally reversing. It's crazy because Nvidia was like right below the VWAP and they just did a little pump fakerino. Isn't that crazy? Market does this from time to time. You think you have a handle on the market and the market goes, wait a tick. What's up, Coach Jay? In the building. Hold on, National. Is that the Mike Tyson punch out code? Hold on, did I nail that? Tell me that's the Mike Tyson punch out code. Ah, yes. That's sick. Oh man, good games. Good stuff. My 7-year-old does not enjoy retro games too hard. It depends on what they're playing. Like there's some very difficult games out there from the retro era. Ninja Turtles probably the hardest one on Nintendo. Thank you for the levels. I finally them extremely helpful when trading. Well, thanks, Archie. I'm glad you're deploying them and using them in your trader. In your trading. In your trader. Zaza, what's up? He says, hey, Rips, or she. I have 1,400 on my 4 XFAs with 4 winning days. What's your opinion? Should I take a payout when I achieve 5 winning days? Yes. The answer is yes. Especially if you're asking me. The answer is yes. Sounds like GTA cheat codes. Yeah, I played the original Grand Theft Auto, the first one. And they had Grand Theft Auto 2 and Grand Theft Auto London. That was the top-down one. That one was fun. How much you make per month trading? About 63 cents, depending on how the weather is that month, usually. Price action not as clean as yesterday. Let's not push too much. It's only the last day of trading year. Yes, indeed. Did we just come back? Did we just nail that? Oh my gosh, we're now at the bottom of that range. Back up to 75. Dude, GTA London, LAN parties, did they have a multiplayer mode? I think they did. I remember that now. Oh, they also had, was GTA London the one that had the triads in it? I don't remember. I think that was the one, right? Any advice on how to work around intraday trailing drawdown? And what? Elaborate a little bit more on that. Elaborate on that, Otter, for me. Lito says, I literally need 70 cents in my account so I can get an Apex eval. I'm begging people I know to send me $1. Well, we all have different wants and needs in our lives, I suppose. Last show of the year, last giveaway, 2,000 likes. Let's go. Yeah, can we let's do that. Let's like up the video. I'll give away some free months of Clubhouse if we get to 1,000 likes. I know that we only have 800 people in here right now, but we get up to 1,000 likes, we'll do it. So if everybody just takes a moment and just clicks that like button, then we can do it. Yo, Rips Mod. What's up, pal? You ready for the new year, Rips Mod? You ready to clink some glasses? Have a good time? Wow, this thing is still going. This thing is motoring. Going crazy. Holy smokes. Math is not math. Oh my goodness. Otter says some props have the drawdown that follows you during the day, kind of force you to be see money, take money. So if you're up 1K, your drawdown goes up 1K, even if it's still unrealized. Don't the props that do that, don't they just kind of stop after you get over a certain profit level? Don't they? Isn't that One of them things. In it. Kill Frenzy Racing Around? I don't think I've ever played that one. Yeah, after you get above a certain profit level, I think it stops trailing, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I am mistaken. I don't know. I'm often wrong. Yeah, we're starting to see some bigger offers showing up here. Big size on the offer. Surprisingly, too. Crazy. Stops at the initial balance. Yeah, I mean, I think like the goal should be, if you're using a prop that has a trailing drawdown, the goal should be to get above that level, and however long it takes is however long it takes. Do you know what I'm saying? Right, if you're using one of the props that is like, okay, well, we stopped trailing at like $3,000. Well, then slowly just build your balance up to that $3,000 level and then slowly creep it up a little bit more. That way you don't have that problem. I did not vibe trade. Everybody's been telling me about that. I need to, right? I did not. I was too busy playing poker last night. I'm playing again today and I'm friggin' exhausted. But how many hours of sleep did I get? This is, actually, I don't even want to say in case some of my opponents are watching this stream. Nah, they're not. Oh, God, that's horrible. I got so little sleep. I was playing late last night. Oh, it's a good session. But today's session is going to be even more incredible. It's going to be insane. It's going to be pretty wild. I hope to have like a great final session of the year. And then it's still up in the air about whether or not I'm going to be playing on Hustler Casino Live this week. So we'll see about that. I'm kind of up in the air. I'm still very undecisive about it. Rivers cop 20 of them. They're cheap. Yeah, I might. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Do you know if Top Step doing a New Year's deal? No. Anybody who's like holding out for a Top Step sale, you're going to be waiting for a long time. They have no plans to do any sales, at least what I'm aware of. You know, I don't want to speak out of turn, but I'm pretty sure I would be aware if they're going to do any kind of sale. The answer is just no. Prices are what they are. You get what you pay for. Thank you, Brian. They have not done a sale since July 2024. Was it that recent? I feel like it was longer ago. Was that like July 4th or something? That the July 4th sale? What was the $4.99? I still have 150K account that is of that sale. What's up, Richard? What's going on? What up, JSim? 420 Blaze It. They did a deal of 50% in January 2024. Is that right? Did they actually? Is anybody actually living in 2025 right now? Is it in Australia? Wait, let me see. Hold on. I gotta see this. Current time Australia. Aha! It is 2025 in Australia. Right when we started the stream. Happy New Year's to anybody in Australia. Wait, 11/19? Isn't it like already somebody in here from? Wait, why is it lying to me then? In Canberra, Australia, it says it's 12:19 a.m. You know, somebody's fibbing. Did the sale for the launcher. Wow, this thing is coming right down. Dang it. Wow. This thing is drilling to the center of the earth. No news, by the way. What? What in the what? Dude, what is going on? Why? Why are you doing that? What the heck? That literally just dropped almost 30 points straight down. Queensland is still 11 p.m. Gotcha. You're in Brisbane. I knew somebody out there in Brisbane. Caught Olive again. 3-bar reversal again. Thank you for sharing that. Orange Hosier. Are you in Canada, by the way? Made 400 on that drop. Nice work there. Big Sexy shorted 480. I mean, that's a good level of short, dude. Folks are crazy. Nailing these trades. If we get up to 500 likes, we will do a poll in here. Let's see where we're at right now. We are at 252. What? Come on. It's New Year's Eve. Press the like button. So easy. Ah, Boston, Mass. Gotcha. Yeah, it was $4.50. That's what it was. $4.50 for the 50K combines. I still have one combine at that rate. It rebuilds every single month. I don't even try to trade it or pass it. Feeling the FOMO kicking in. Glad I'm locked out. You're insane, dude. How could you possibly have FOMO when you had such a great stretch of 2 days? You're insane. 48 hours, you made half a salary of somebody out there in 2 days' time. You're crazy feeling FOMO. I don't believe you. I'm in short from 21,514. Wow, that's nice. Dang, you're just holding that thing. Beauty. What's up, Damien? Sasson. How you doing? What do you say into market right now? I don't know. We're just saying sweet nothings. Holy Earth in the building. What's up, buddy? Holy Earth, when are you gonna get a green name for yourself? When are you gonna become a member of the YouTube chat VIP squad? How do you predict the market so good? I mean, sometimes I don't. Most of the time I don't, let's be honest. Never claimed to be a good trader, ever. I'm just here pressing buttons, trying my best. Anderson has 2 left, keeping them forever. I have 1. I don't know what happened to the other ones because I don't remember having 50K activates. They're probably still on the bench. I know I have like a big reserve for my bench. By the time I ever get to my bench, I swear they're going to have the rules changed again and be like, well, all of those are expired now. Have you ever turned 1K into 10K? I mean, doing what? Have I ever turned 1K into 10K? I mean, I don't think I've tried doing that. I've certainly made $10,000 trading before in a day, but I don't know the whole 1K to 10K thing. Rips, I know you don't trade gold, but have a look. Okay, let's do it. Let's have a little gander. Let's bring up the gold. I see that it's shooting up. A little blue pill this morning. Have you tried trade day prop firm? Nope. I've only really traded on Top Step since July of 2023. That's it. I haven't really paid any attention to any other prop firms out there. 27 Color says, good morning, Ribs. Can I ask your last question in 2024? This won't be the last question in 2024. It will be one of the last questions. How you trade 150K account? One mini only? What is the max contract size will you trade? Depends on the setup. If I really like the setup, maybe I go max size. But saying that I'm going to only restrict it to one mini is probably not accurate. Wow, look at that reversal, dude. That was insane. Now I feel silly for not buying that off of the 52 level. It's crazy because Nvidia is just here. Look at Nvidia's chart. This is kind of whoops, that's not a hit. Nvidia. There we go. And then I want to go into the 15 minute. Look at this. It's just been kind of like holding. Oops. It's been holding. It's not doing anything. And it keeps on faking like it's going to do something and go down, but it's not. Dastardly Nvidia. Gold always does me wrong. Well, probably don't trade it then. If you're having difficulty trading a certain asset, then just probably don't trade it. You know? Is it a half day today? It is not. It is not. LMC says, just passed my first account with Top Step yesterday, and today I'm up 300. Am I supposed to stop trading? Is there a consistency rule on express funded accounts? There is not. The rule for express funded accounts, you must have, in order to take a payout, you must have 5 days of $200 or more. Not consecutively. Any 5 days of $200 or more, then you could take a payout. That's it. There's plenty of people out there that have made $300 one day, $50,000 the next day, and then $200,000 the next day. They do have a cap on the XFAs now. For each payout period, you can take a maximum of $5,000. However, when they move you to the live funded level, which is what we're trading thusly, there's no cap on the payout limit. So that is the benefit of moving into a live account. Nice. Fat Citizen just raining money from the sky every which way. G-Lines, good morning. Hate I missed that move. There's always going to be moves, dude. Come on. There's always going to be moves. Market's always going to move. There's always going to be moves that you miss. It is what it is. You move on from it. It's no big deal. Good morning, JLD. Arctic Wolf says they requested their first payout yesterday. Let's go. Rhino Inc. says, how come you trade before market open? Why not? If there's an edge, why not? But the main reason is, instead of saying why not, the main reason of why I trade in the pre-market is because quite often there are news releases, market-moving news releases that come out, usually around 8:30 Eastern time, which is 1 hour before New York Open. And on some days, they're extremely important, like PPI, CPI, PCE, PCP. There's a lot of different releases that come out. So like tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning Eastern time, there will be nothing because the markets are closed. However, on Thursday, there will be jobless claims. Initial and continuing jobless claims, which will give us some interesting information on, what's going on in the markets and what the Fed's looking for potentially lowering rates in the new year. And that's important. And usually we'll get a nice kerfuffleation and some volatility. Volatility equals opportunities. So why do we trade before the market opens? We're looking for opportunities that come from volatility. Kenny says, good morning, big dog. Good morning to you, big dog. What's up, Kenny? Mantis. Hi, Rips. How you doing? I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking. Last week, I have blowed 50K XFA with 6K profit after 2 days, but today passed 3 50K combines and will be available to activate it tomorrow. 2025 will be strong. How to manage? Take it slow. If you're losing $6,000 in a single session, you're going way too fast. $6,000, you can do a lot with that. Like, if you're blowing $6,000, I'm sorry, but you're going way too fast. You got to slow down. I think the technical term is that you are trading too big for your britches, my friend. That is the technical term. You can look that up in the glossary of trading terms. Too big for your britches. Slow down. There's a speed limit with trading and you're exceeding it. Keep doing that, you're going to continue to blow accounts. Ribs, have you read Jared Tendler's poker books, The Mental Game of Poker? I don't think I have, but I should. Market opens at 6 p.m. right now. Market opens... When does the market open? Yeah, tomorrow at 6. Yep. Yeah, sorry. My brain's not working this morning very well. Or usually most mornings, but that's okay. Mantis follows up with made 5K on 50K XFA last week and 1K on second day, and third day made 1K and then blew it all. Yeah, see, you're going too fast, dude. You need to use the daily loss limit feature. I would start there. Keep it locked up. Kerfufflation. Classic Rips. That's a throwback jam right there. Hey Rips. Hello. And an XFA, when you string 30 winning days, isn't that also when your withdrawals are uncapped? Yes. You could take out 100%. However, if you have 30 winning days in an XFA, I'm probably thinking you're in live by then. You're probably going to be a live trader by then. Wow, we are driving up again. Oh my. We're going straight up. This market is wonky. Oh boy. I'm going to go to the 1 minute. There you go. Yeah, we're driving straight up again. Holy but Jesus. Straight through those 80s. Can we tippy tip top ticket? Let's see if we can drive all the way through these 90s now. Happy New. Hey, Happy New to you there, Coach Hoop. Good to see you this morning. What's up, Investor Z? How are you? Anderson says, with Top Step, the best strat is to get your first 5 200 days in, then try for bigger days. I like that. That's nice. Charlie FX says, hey, Rips, won't be trading today, taking a break for New Year's celebration. Want to drop by, say Happy New Year to you and all the MC family. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to you as well, Charlie. High Life Dreddy says, Happy New Year's and good favors to your poker game. My guy like BTC, we're going to the moon. Thank you. Oh, man. Thank you for that. I hope we do go to the moon today. Be lovely. I'm going to be bringing my A game today in poker, which is vastly different from other days when I play poker. I bring my D game. Usually. You could have gave this guy 67 cents with that. Yeah, I mean, teach a man to fish. They can have 67 cents all the time. Right? Let's see here. That's the problem, I think, as well with max positions of 2 minis. I've made 5K, but once 5 minis allowed, blew it. Yeah, you're going too fast. Coming too quickly. You got to slow down. Slow it down. BBC Firm says, Rips, I follow up on Instagram. I'm hoping to win one of your competitions. Well, just stay tuned. We get to 1,000 likes today. We're going to start giving away some stuff and some things. Vincenz says, hey, Rips, in an XFA, when you string 30 winning days, and that also when you withdrawals are in cap. Yes. Thanks for replying. Advice, Rips. Have an amazing New Year's, and hopefully it'll bring joy and happiness. Thank you. That's very kind of you to say. Thank you. Coach Hoop says, Rips, wanted to wish you a happy New Year. I'm not sure how much I will trade. Was long overnight. Going to lock it up early. Nice work there, buddy. That's a great trade if you're long overnight. I mean, you caught the that Riposito right there. Ooh wee. Well, hopefully you were long from somewhere in this gully of despair down here. Pi says, just hit my daily $200 loss limit trying to chase this stupid fake outs. Yeah, sorry to hear that. But I like that you have a $200 daily loss limit. That's good. It's going to serve you well in the long run. We've got to be okay with locking it up when it's not our day. Karen says, hello, hood morning. Good morning. Well, good morning to you too. Cody, happy New Year's and thank you for all the value you bring to the trading world. Thank you. Appreciate you, buddy. Holy Earth says, that's what she said. Dude, I wish I could gift you like the membership thing. Can I? In any way? How do I gift you? Like, I can't, huh? Membership. It doesn't let me do it. I want to gift you a membership, dude. You're always in here donating. Too nice. Linda, good morning, says, can you still have combines if you have a live account in Top Step? You can, yes. And you can pass combines, yes. But you cannot trade XFAs when you have a live account. So that is the rub. Salty Sailor says, would you say today's a big day for hedge funds and market makers to close end of year numbers? Can you elaborate? That's a good question. I actually put that in the morning memo, a little bit about that. We're going to have end of month flows where some banks, hedge funds, family offices, trading desks, large trading offices will be a little bit on the rebalancing side, mainly in options contracts, some futures, of course, but they would have already done that last week, the week prior. It's pretty rare that you're going to see anybody that's doing big size, like rushing to the end here, unless they were very lazy or they had a really, what's the technical term? They had a really f***ed up position. If they were 6 ways to Sunday, I guess you could call it. Yeah, I think that's the technical term. So if there was somebody who was 6 ways to Sunday, then yeah, they're probably going to be scrambling to unwind a position or make net neutral on the position, you know? But it's, everybody talks about, there's going to be tax loss harvesting, all that stuff. But they're usually getting it done before today. Maybe there's some procrastinators out there in a couple family offices, you know? Good morning, Big John. Amro asks, what happens if you lose your live? Are you able to trade Express accounts again? Yes. If you lose your live, you just go back to the Combine stage. If you already have past Combines, you go straight to the XFA stage. Indicator says, Happy New Year. Really appreciate your show. Thank you for being here, buddy. Lido says, whoever cash apps me $1, if I pass my eval and make it a funding, I will send you 50 at payout. Wow, what a bargain there. That is a bargain. JSim420 Blazes says, yeah, no kidding. Natty gas can bring the volatility. It was boring. Under $2. I stopped following it. There you go. Can I trade my XFA if I lose my life? Depends. If you are in which version of the afterlife are we talking about? Some afterlives have good internet connection where you can actually connect to the realm of the living. But some afterlives don't have as strong of a Wi-Fi signal, so you might have trouble when you're trying to get the signal to cross back over into the realm of the living. So I guess it depends. The question would be best answered with, it depends. It depends. Mark Landers says, Happy New Year, Mr. Rips. Always enjoy watching and listening and learning. Thank you for all that you do for us. Cheers to a great 2025, my friend. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate you. Rooted and Free says, I blew so many combines in the past year, so I started limiting myself to only 1 trade per day. It made all the difference. It made me a lot more disciplined and made me look for better trades. I love that. You know, there's a lot to be said about people who are taking it slow and being much more disciplined in their approach with trading. Those are usually the people who are sticking around for longer. I know that everybody wants to have those really big days, but I promise you, as somebody who's been doing this for a while, every single one of my big days, if we're looking at like my top 50 days in trading, well, let's condense it. Top 25 trading days in trading. My top 25 days, I guarantee you 90% of those days, I probably didn't have any idea that I was going to have that big of a day. Do you know what I'm saying? I went into every single day probably having a pretty neutral stance of what I was going to do performance-wise in the market. Every single time that I tried to bring in the mindset of, dude, I'm going to have the best day ever. Well, those are the days I probably lost the most. And there's something to be said about that. Do you know what I mean? So if you're trying to like kick down the door and make tons of money, usually it's not going to work out because you're going to be pushing the gas too hard when you shouldn't, over leveraging, and that goes both ways. If you don't have a really good setup and you're over leveraged, you're probably going to get smoked. I've been there many times. You want to force the issue, you want to push the buttons really hard, usually you're going to get blasted. Not in a good way. Good morning, Sarl. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Gary. Would you be able to take some of those trades without order flow and a heat map? Personally, probably not, because that's kind of my style. I could still trade. I mean, I've traded from my phone many times now with TopStep X, and I've done just fine. But I prefer reading order flow. I can do without it, but my preference for trading is going to be having order flow. At the minimum, time and sales. At the very minimum. Just found out how many fake profiles are on X using your name. Please report them. I only have 1 profile on X and 1 profile on Instagram. There it is. Look at that. @SellingRips. Do me a favor. If you're not following me on Instagram right now, go ahead and follow me. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers. We are so freaking close. We are so close to 10K followers on Instagram. So close. Started with 0. All organic. Hey, Rips, what levels do you chart daily? Well, MC levels are my main levels I'm using, and those are published every single day in the morning memo. If you want the free version of that, it's published on Thinkorswim, Webull, E-Trade. I don't know if it's on IB. Somebody at the poker table was like, I have IB. Where are your levels? So I don't know if it's published to IB. I'm not sure. But yeah, for me personally, I would, if I'm wanting to not use MC levels, I'm going to do a top-down analysis. So starting at the 4 hour, starting at the daily, then 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. Doing a top-down analysis, looking for where the biggest exchange of liquidity is. Rips meant to ask you any top New Year's resolutions for you going into 2025. I haven't really thought about it, to be honest. I'm not a big resolution person. I'm a very disciplined dude. I like my it's like, you know, every single day I try to be 1% better. Try to improve myself every single way that I can. And if I can't, I go a little crazy. But for the most part, every single day I'm trying to be 1% better than the last. It's a very slow burn. It's a constant progression. But I like to look back after a year, and I like to look at what did I accomplish last year? I have goals, but not resolutions. I have certain goals for 2025, and some of those goals we'll probably see in the next couple weeks here on the channel, hopefully. But I don't like make resolutions. I like to set long-term goals, whether it's a 1-year goal or a 5-year goal. Look at all those fake Rips accounts. Oh my goodness. But yeah, no real resolutions. Nothing like that. Just a lot of goals that I have set for myself. Hey Rips, how are you? Happy New Year. What are your dreams for 2025? My dreams. Yes. See, that's more accurate. What are my dreams? I dream of a world where we can all get along. No, I'm kidding. Where am I? I have a lot of goals, like I said, in 2025. A lot of goals. I don't want to share them. I don't want to speak them out loud. I just want to, one of those folks who likes to hit my goals in silence. I had some goals for 2024 and I smashed a lot of them. One of my goals was to make 7 figures playing poker out in Vegas, and I didn't think I'd even come close to that goal, but we smashed it in a matter of, it was like, I don't know, about 35 days of playing poker. So that was one of my goals that I wanted to hit. I have very big goals for poker in 2025, as well as trading. So hopefully we'll smash all of those goals, all of those dreams, whatever you want to call it. But hopefully we can smash it. What are your goals and dreams for this year? For 2025? Curious to hear what you folks have on your goal schedule. My big days come after building a nice profit on a day with smaller moves and then risking the profits only. Yeah, see, I like that as well. Building a cushion. That is very helpful as well. My biggest days usually come from doing just that as well. Ron Gray says, kind of like playing poker, the table determines if you win big, if others bet big, and you win. That is true. Have to take what you get for the day. Same thing goes with trading. The market's going to give you whatever it's going to give you. Most of the days where it has an outpaced move, usually folks are surprised. You can usually tell that because of the options contracts. People getting 100Xs in options. Well, we got 45 minutes here till the open. What are we up right now? 0.3% in the NASI. S&P is about the same. James says, I can't see the direction on an NQ. What are we doing wrong here? It's going down right now. Red candles. Felix says, Happy New Year's, Rips. Just out of curiosity about your scalp from this morning, how would you have managed where you would have gotten out if price would have pumped at your entry. I would have just probably taken it off if I was immediately wrong. I wouldn't have flipped. I would have probably just taken it off because I was pretty confident that we're going to tag 35s or around 35. And that's why I took it off right there. Those are paper followers. Yes, they are. All of them. Pat Harrison says, are you on Discord? I am. We are broadcasting live in Discord right now with the zero latency live stream. Slightly better than YouTube. Nothing I can do to control the latency on YouTube. It is what it is, but Discord has the closest to real-time latency. Archie Thompson says, just caught 1,400 on my combine using the levels you said. Hey! Well, I like that. That makes me happy. Did we, oh my goodness, 497 quarters. Look at it. Did it. You know, sometimes I stop watching the levels and I'm like, oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad that you caught it. That makes me happy. JK says, oh shoot. I didn't think you'd be on this morning. Today. I am. Here I am. Hello. Maharashi, just past 5 comments. Give it up for Maharashi. Maharshi. There we go. Maharashi. Maharshi. Congrats to you. Chewy says, you on Top Step TV today, ribs? No, they didn't have enough barbecue sauce for me. So no, I'm not going to be on today. Top Step TV is offline. They're offline last Tuesday, which is my day to be on. They're offline this Tuesday. So no, I'm not on. G-Line says, I don't do Instagram, but for you, I will log in and follow you. Thank you, buddy. Jarn says, small changes, no New Year's resolutions. There you go. Yeah, we were talking about that yesterday. Small changes add up. Make all the difference. Where's the baby oil? No Diddy. What baby oil? Am I missing something here? Do we have baby oil futures to be trading? How about goals for 2025? Win the WSOP main event? I don't really care for tournaments all that much. My wife was asking me about that yesterday. We're in the jacuzzi, relaxing before I went and played poker. And she was asking me, she said, you know, next year, you think you're going to be playing a lot of tournaments? I said, I don't really care for tournaments. I'm a cash game player. But we'll see. Maybe we do play some tournaments. We shall see. We're back again at the VWAP and Nvidia. I wonder if this thing is going to come on down. Boy, it's just flushing. Rips, the CEO of Tasty Trade. Do you know him or follow any of his strategies? I do not. I know of him. He was the one who created Thinkorswim. Very smart gentleman. But I do not know him. I don't follow any of his strategies. Karen asks, Ribs, what made you change and become so disciplined? I've always been a very disciplined person. I don't know. I've always been that way. I find comfort in routine, scheduling. I like to have consistent scheduling and framework. Makes me feel comfortable. I've always felt like that, you know? So I don't know if I've ever not been disciplined. Discipline is one of the easiest ways, I think, to be successful in life. Most of the people who aren't successful usually lack discipline. And you really only have one shot at this. Like, I always thought when I was younger, I was like, do you want to be 40 years old and not be successful and be worrying about money and all of those things? I used to think that when I was younger. You know, you want to be 40 years old and be stressed out. And that was kind of like my motivating factor when I was really young. I didn't grow up in the best financial shape. I grew up, when I was going into elementary school, I had the same pair of shoes for 3 years straight. I had to glue them with a hot glue gun. We didn't have any money growing up. And that motivated me as well, because I made a promise to myself. I said, I never want to live like this when I grow up. Never want to have to go through this. It was stressful. I don't know. Maybe that was it. I'm a product of my environment. You know what I mean? I think that's what it was. I think that's all it was. Coach Hoop says, gotcha. Keep building on the Clubhouse. You should be proud of what you and your members built. Thank you, Coach Hoop. Appreciate you. BBC says, hey, Rips, you write down your goals. Studies show if you write down your goals, you're more likely to achieve them. I do. I don't physically write things down, but I keep logs and journals extensively in Google Docs from various different things. A lot of people don't realize like how like you can get so much done if you just open up Google Docs or Google Sheets and you just start brain dumping in those. It's very easy. It's super free. Docs.google.com or sheets.google.com. A lot of people don't realize like it's making like charts and journals, logs, memos, anything. It gets all of it out of here and it puts it down there. It gives you more processing power. I don't know. Works for me. Hopefully we see you on more poker streams. Yeah, I might be on one this Friday. I don't know. I'm probably not. I keep on waffling in between whether or not I'm going to go on. I will be on the week of January 21st on Poker Go streams, for sure. Ryan says, really happy for you, man. You're a really great person. You're going to have a banger of a new year. I know it. Thank you for all you do, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. RRC says retirement in December. That's a lofty goal. Get out of debt. I like that goal. Be the best Rips mod. Ooh, nice. 500,000 payouts for 2025. I like that. Stay funded and profitable. There we go. Joshua says, my big goal is to finally start the smart home automation service for my company I opened up last year and have been offering IT project manager. There you go. Nice. Very focused goal. I love that. Very, very, very nice. Getting a payout. There you go. Zach says, I'll be in Manila in February playing in the live Poker Stars tournament. The action there is nuts. Loosest players ever. Nice. Good luck to you, Zach. Hope you crush it. Do you and your wife make goals together? Not really, no. But, you know, she's my number one fan. She's my biggest supporter, and she's always been there for me. I'm very, very lucky to have somebody like that in my life. Can't imagine like ever being divorced and like having to go and date again. Like that would be, I'd probably just give up. I'd be like, yeah, the selection that's out there is just not it. Not my speed, not my cup of tea. So I'm very, very lucky, very, very happy. But I feel like every single day we make progress on goals together in some way, you know? Ribs, my goal for the year is to finish up a new screenplay. Ooh, I like that. How's it going so far? Jay's Passion says, was stressing out about a bad trade, then I realized it was on my practice account. There you go. There's a New Year's Eve gift for you. Small changes are easier to implement too. They are. They very much are. My New Year's resolution is to retire my wife on December 31st, 2025. Good luck to you, Sin City Futures. Very good luck to you. Hope you crush that goal. Rips, you're able to stay super calm without the emotions with 250K real money in front of you on a poker table. Dude, if I were you, I would have had at least scratched the leather off my chair with my butt. I mean, it's not like I just woke up one day and started playing that size. It was a constant progression to get to that size. I didn't just wake up one day and say, all right, let's just blindly throw $250,000 on the table. And I'm not going to lie, it's terrifying at times. If you're up against another deep stack that's playing the same depth as you are, let's just say you have $250,000 in front of you, and then you get dealt pocket kings and you make a raise pre-flop, and then you get called by another person who has $250,000, $300,000 in front of them. I mean, your adrenaline starts kicking in, because that could be a $500,000 pot. You just don't know. I had a similar situation happen to me against the lovely Ling Ling. If you folks watch Hustler Casino Live, playing against Ling Ling, I had about $200,000 in front of me. I looked down, I have pocket kings. It was very late. I was extremely exhausted. And I mean exhausted. And it was a very, very loose game that we were playing that night. We were playing in Bobby's room. And I think we were playing 100, 200, 400. And I had about $200,000 effective in front of me. And Ling Ling probably had about, 180, 250,000, somewhere in that range. We're both playing pretty deep. It's pretty deep for that game. You're talking about, what is that? 400 big blinds effective? Well, no. 1,000 big blinds. No. 500 big blinds. There we go. Because we're playing 1, 2, 4. Right? So, do we have news in a few minutes? Top of the hour. Let me see. Let me just make sure before I start storytelling. Yeah, we have the housing price index in 4 minutes. Well, I guess we'll put this story on ice. We'll wait and see if the FHFA housing price index does anything. Redbook retail sales already came and went. Nobody cares. 7.1% year over year. December month to date, 5.5%. Nobody cared. Have you talked to Berkey since playing with him? Yes, of course. Saw him 2-3 days ago. Whenever that was. What day is it? Tuesday? I saw him on Friday or Saturday. Whenever I played. It's all a blur right now because of the holiday schedule. I don't know which day is which. Where do you watch the news as it comes out? There's one free site I recommend to everybody. Right here. Trading Economics. There you go. Highly recommend that to anybody out there. Remember, smash the like. If we get to 1,000 likes, we will do a giveaway. 500 likes, we'll do a poll. We're at 457 likes, so 43 more likes, we'll do a poll. Rips is using CC for your stream an option. You can add it, or is it my side? I think it's on your side. I think you can turn that on. I know it works after the fact. Just having $500,000 sitting with you is nuts. Yeah. Today is going to be a crazy game. It's going to be a crazy game. Whew, sneezed. My goodness. Yeah, today's going to be an insane game. It's going to be nuts. Starts at 10 a.m. That is in 4 hours from now. Rip's probably a dumb question. I doubt it. There's no such thing as dumb questions. Let's see. Why does anchored VWAP change when changing time frames and tops of X? Because it's anchored to a certain time. That's not a stupid question. Once you zoom out all the way, it should settle in. We're back. Where did he go? Rips, I have a serious question. What is the better free squawk to use to get into using them before I buy the best one? I don't know if there's a free one, but there's some of them have trials. So get one that has a trial and see if you like it. Fun fact, you're probably not going to like it. Most people hate them. It's an acquired taste. Very much an acquired taste. Snowboard Marco says, you trade live on YouTube for free? I do. In fact, if you want to see the trade that I took to net me $741, all you have to do is rewind the video and you can find it. Financial Juice has one on a small delay. Wow, I didn't know that. I had no idea. Well, there you go. Financial Juice. Do it. I wonder how bad the delay is. You find live poker easier than online? I prefer live poker. I played a lot of online poker. I prefer live poker, live reads. I prefer it. Like, it's my game of choice. 503 likes. Let's do a poll. Will the NQ end the day? 10 seconds, by the way, for this news. Above or below 21. 0.4%. That was in line with estimates. Nvidia still can't make up its mind about whether or not it wants to break the VWAP. All right, let's do 21,500. Above, below. Cool. Go ahead and vote in the poll. Your votes are anonymous, so please vote with honesty. Wow, this thing is sailing down now. A lot of bids, though, catching this. Dude, if we broke down 59.66 in the S&Ps, I think this thing would roll. But I don't think it's going to. Otter says, I remember how YouTube kept bombarding me with your stream exactly 1 year and 2 months ago. Super thankful for the algo. That's awesome. Thanks for riding with us for this long there, Otter. I appreciate you. Financial Juice is about 60 seconds delayed. That's crazy that they give that out for free. Let's see if we break down below these 40s now. Can we do it? It's just the market is just like, it's at a holding area and it's probably going to bounce. So I probably can't take this. Is there a person you learned your poker style from, Negron? No. I'm all self-taught. I've been playing since I was very, very young. Over 20 years now. Not like I've been playing every single day for 20 years, but I started playing over 20 years ago. Very, very long time. And I've developed my own style. Poker's very unique like that. Over time, you're going to develop your own style. See, look, I'm happy I didn't short this thing. I almost did. A little pops or what would have got me. K. Jones says, appreciate the stream today. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you showing up. No Top Step TV today. Nope, no broadcast on Top Step TV. Plans for tonight? No plans. Playing poker and then coming home and relaxing. Probably be in bed by 9 o'clock. I'm so boring. How are you so sure it'll bounce here? By watching the Big Six, not seeing direction. Mainly Nvidia. Kind of not cracking the VWAP, and S&Ps are so close to the VWAP as well. NASDAQ's so close to the VWAP. It's just no reason for it to really roll over. It's not like the news was terrible. It came in line with expectations. So if there was an outlier print, maybe we could argue for that, but right now it's not showing me anything. Wouldn't short anything above 59.67. Yeah, I want to see this below 59.66. Tom says, first time in, rips. Love what you do. I love what you do, Tom. Thank you for showing up here. I appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, we're seeing some bids, but I still don't trust this. Let's take a trade. We are 27 minutes from the open. Please vote in that poll here, folks. It's a split decision, which makes me not even want to trade this. Buy's not on the table? Nah, I don't have confidence in either way of this market right now. It's mainly Nvidia's fault. I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. Go over to TradingView, go to Nvidia, go to the 15-minute chart. This is what is keeping me out of the market. Nvidia can't make up its dang mind. Every single time it's about to break lower, it doesn't. Like right now, let's see. Because NQ is rolling over heavily. It's 15 points down. S&Ps are 4 points away from VWAP. It just keeps teasing like it's going to break. Right here. Just keeps on. That was a big tease right there. That's the one we shorted to make $741. But outside of that, it's just been a big old tease. Not doing anything. It's just holding. Same thing with the S&Ps. Look at this. S&Ps just teasing us. Not breaking. If this was like, you know, if this came down, broke 66 and was like, yeah, then we'd definitely take it lower. But it ain't doing that, so I'm not really interested in trading it up or down. Vic Vice says, Rips, since it's the last day of the year, you should trade the open with us. I might. Can we get some likes? Can we get 1,000 likes? It's only 2/3 of you. That's it. And make sure you are subscribed if you're not already, with your notifications bell turned on. We are pretty close to 27,000 subs or something like that. What are we at? We are at, yeah, we're almost at 27,000 subs. 27,000. Forgot to like on my birthday. Thank you, Coach Jay. I appreciate you, buddy. That's so nice. I'm exhausted. I want to get in a nap before I go and play poker, but it's probably not going to happen. It's so annoying. I got a horrible, horrible sleep. Is the stream just loaded with trolls all the time? Is that why we seldom get the like skulls? No. Just that some people are too lazy to hit the like button. No. No trolls. We don't have trolls anymore. We used to. Scott Martin with the $5. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, Rips and Fam Kitties. Thank you. Thank you so much. So nice. Hey Rips, is there any way to access your strategy? Tuning in every single day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. That's the easiest way to get my strategy for free. Slap says, I'm going to get ready for the market open. You have a great day, Rips. Happy to have found your channel this past few months. You're a real dude, and I appreciate your hard work. Thank you for being here, Slap. I appreciate you. You have all your choices in the morning. Who you want to hang with? Appreciate you. Rips, new to the channel. I love it. New to trading, just watching and learning. Hoping to join you after the new year. I hope to see you, more of you in here. Thank you. Do I look at the gaps on the triple Qs? Not necessarily, no. It can definitely give you some more information, but yeah. Nick for Six says, I've had horrible sleep for 7 weeks. Yes. Congratulations to you and your beautiful growing family there, Nick. Happy New Year to you, buddy. National says, with it being the end of the year, I just want to say how much I've enjoyed being an MC for the last few months. I'm extremely thankful to have found Rips and all of you in MC this year. Looking forward to having a profitable year with all of you in 2025. Let's go, National. It was great meeting you in Vegas, National. Great meeting you here. Cheers to you and your family. Kenny says, I am going to cut you a check when I get my first payout. You definitely are a real one. Pay my dues. Do not. Do not. Don't give me a dime, please. Do not. Hey, Happy New Year to you there, Don. I appreciate you. Kevin says, I look at trading as me being a surfer in the charts, the ocean. I love that. You just have to take what the waves give you, and you can't ride every wave. Patiently wait for the right wave to come along. It's so true. It's very, very similar to surfing in that sense. Very, very true. I talk about that often. Let's do a quick check on Nvidia here so we can go back to what I was talking about. You see? Just when you thought it was going to break lower, it said, nope, we're not going to. And then the problem is, it's like, well, Rips, why don't you just, anytime that Nvidia comes down to the VWAP, why don't you just long it? Well, because of this guy right here. That's what spoiled the party. It worked until it didn't. So I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Matt says, new here. What do you mainly trade? NQ futures. NASDAQ futures. The NASDAQ, baby. Larry says, Rips, these last couple months have been awesome. Thank you for teaching me how to trade better. It wasn't me, dude. It's you. You're pressing the buttons. Good for you. Happy to hear that. I have very little to do with it, if anything at all. Trust me. I'm just here yapping. Jack is a surfer here too. Nice. What's your favorite break, Jack? What's your favorite break of all time to surf? What is it? Chopu? Can't say Chopu. That's kind of cheating. Gotta have like some secret special break. Tova says, sleep, I understand lack of sleep. October got bronchitis. Oh my gosh. November, pneumonia. First week of December got the flu. Now I have COVID. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry to hear that, Tova. Hopefully you get well soon. Your health is always going to be more important than what the markets are doing. Psycho Pilot says, happy almost New Year, Rips. I'm moving to Vegas next year. Yes. Looking forward to playing poker with you and all the trading money I plan to make. I love that. Manifest that for yourself. Manifest that. What time does trading stop today? 4 p.m. Eastern time. Technically 4:10. Whenever, I think 4:10 is when Top Step calls the ball. Smash the likes, only 240 people more. Let's get it going. Let's get it popping. Popping. Captain Jim says, surf behind my boat every day. Nice. Do some wake surfing. That's awesome. The good thing about your app is that it isn't instructive. Sometimes. Mainly nonsense, but sometimes. Will there be today Top Step Live? There's no Top Step TV today. They are out of office today. Ripstream replaced Top Step TV for everybody today? Maybe. Got about 1,700 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Praise Yahweh. Great day, everyone from Bogota, Colombia. Thank you. Good morning. Perhaps you need to set up a Vegas meetup. I think I should. We ought to do some type of charity poker tournament or something. It'd be a lot of fun. That's the great thing about living in a spot like Vegas is that everybody always wants to come and visit. It's great to have friends in town, come to hang, go out to some sweet dinners. Is market off tomorrow? Yes, the market is closed tomorrow. We all get to enjoy a wonderful day off, which I'm excited about. It's too bad that it's not on like a Thursday. If it was on Thursday, we'd have a very nice extended week off, which would have been lovely, but we got the bad luck draw this year. We got Christmas on Wednesday, New Year's Day on Wednesday. Ugh, could have been so much better. If it was just shifted one day down, would have had 2 4-day weekends, really. You don't like days off, James? Yeah, well, you know. Sometimes it's good to have breaks. It is good to have breaks. Have you had a chance to look into the online tournament for the MC crew? I haven't, but I will. Somebody at the poker game yesterday has the means to be able to do that, so I'll probably talk to them today about that. Alyssa says, Happy New Year from the farmer lady. I had a baby calf this morning and 8 lambs. No way. Good morning, Alyssa. That's so cool. Have you read The Biggest Loser or Best Loser Wins? I don't know about The Biggest Loser. I've read the Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. I like that book. So if there's no Top Step TV Live, could you do it instead? Well, we're doing it right now, I suppose. 2025 is going to be the year of WTF. Starts Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, it's crazy, right? 2025 starts with WTF. Why you want that extended weekend? Aren't you a millionaire and setting your own times? No, I'm on welfare and food stamps. And I am a slave to the clock, my friend. That is what I do. Bishop Pushup says, one day we'll all make conscious decision to celebrate New Year's on the most convenient day, LOL. Well, I would agree that that would probably be the best course of action, but I don't know. We might have to talk to the Gregorians about that. We'll have to see. Bullbot Kyle says, my goal is to save up enough to play the... Stop laughing. Wasn't that funny? My goal is to save up enough to play the main event at the WSOP. Very nice. Very nice. Do you keep trading on Discord after you leave YouTube? Yes, every single day. Every single dang day. That's what we do. Fat says, as I'm about to leave the house, just want to leave a short message for everyone. Happy New Year's, Rips, and everyone in the MC family. Thank you for an unforgettable 2024 filled with growth, learning, and trading triumphs. Together, we're about to break records and change lives in 2025. Let's make it happen. Locked out and signing off for the final time this year, but I can't wait to return in 2025 and dominate together. See you all at the top where we're meant to be. Let's go. Give it up for Fat Citizen. If you missed what he did today, I retweeted his tweet on my tweeting timeline. There's a lot of tweets going on. And he crushed it. Past 2 days, he is up. In just 2 days of trade, Mr. Fat Citizen is up $14,346.20. We'll be in Vegas in August for a few days. I will say hello from the stream. Happy New Year, by the way. Thanks for your knowledge. Thanks, DJ. Hit me up when you're in town. Maybe we can see each other. We don't follow the Gregorian calendar. What do we follow then? For how long do you trade on Discord? Depends on what the market gives us. Here's the link. You are not really doing Tops Up TV if you are in private. Stop it. That's mean. It's hard to trade on Tops Up TV. I'm telling you, it's not easy. There's a lot of things going on. It's tough to concentrate. Costa says, well, in reality, we're all slaves to the clock. Like you said, no one can mess up with time and is limited. Yeah, this is all we get in life is the time that we have. Try to spend it with loved ones. Hey, the 5 days of $200 for a payout on Top Step, is that just the 50K or all XFA accounts? Yes, all XFA accounts. Lingland story time. Do we care about that? I feel like that got derailed. Can't see the link. Nightbot posted it. Hey, Rips, I have $1,400 on my 4x XFAs with 4 winning days. What's your opinion? Should I take payout when I'll achieve 5 winning days? I feel like you asked that already, and I said yes. Vegas is wild. Love visiting out there. My dad lives in Vegas while we are back here in KY. Nice. What part of Vegas? Big town. Did you hear they might be doing trading accounts online Top Step where the trader keeps 10% and the rest will go to charity? I didn't hear about that. Could we see a break up to 497? Maybe. I don't trust this price action very much. Kind of wonky. RW says, I already told my husband when we're in Vegas in the spring, I'm finding Rips for a picture. Otherwise, there's no need to celebrate 37 years. Yeah, hit me up. Send me a DM. We'll make it happen. Rick says, smash the like button. Let's show Rips how much we appreciate him for all he did this year. You guys are too kind. You guys and gals in here. You crazy. Let's see. What are we at here? We are at 848 likes, and we have 12 minutes till the market opens. How much have you made already? It's right there. $741. That's what we've realized on this Tuesday. Is your Discord connected to your Clubhouse subscription? It is. 100%. Might lock myself at 2K profit of the day and go again in the new year. I like that, Archie. I like that. Anyone know of a Forex trade copier? I don't. Unless you're trading Forex on Ninja Trader, then you could trade with Replicanto. That's what I'd say. All right, we'll give it 5 more minutes. We have to get 1,000 likes. 5 more minutes here. Pawn says, I used to be a DM for the Cash America First Cash stores that you see out there. Our regional meetings were always in Vegas. That's always a good time. I used to love visiting Vegas when I didn't live here. My favorite thing. Trader Connect is great for Forex. Yeah, I'm not a Forex trader myself. Billy says, what a change from last month. I'm finally turning this around. My first green month ever. Wow, that's sick. Locking this up to finish the new year on a high. Happy New Year, MC. Love you all. I couldn't do this journey without you. Good job, Billy. Way to go. Nice job, buddy. You're the greatest. Wow, look at that. Dude, what a month, too. Wow. Maybe cut Thursdays out of your trading. Is that right? Thursdays? Hold on. I don't want to expose. Yeah, maybe see what's going on Thursdays. There seems Mondays and Thursdays seems to be a little bit of a trend. See what's going on there. Because if you could cut those out, then like, hey, you know. Rip and Rich says, why do you like NQ more than ES? Just the volatility? Yeah, it's the volatility for sure. I do indeed love the volatility from the NQ, and it gives us multiple opportunities. We can be wrong and still make money. Be wrong, get out, switch our bias, and be right. Ribs, you mentioned before that you are a momentum trader. Do you trade other setups if you see any that feel confident holding longer? For sure, yeah. Continued momentum usually. Can make a lot of money in the NQ. You sure can. Yes, you can. Retro Casual says, same here, Ribs. Thanks for all the good vibes, jokes, and solid trading you do. Finally seeing profitability this month. 2 payouts in 3 weeks. Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, this NQ is definitely pushing up here. We're going back up towards 497 quarters. I wonder what's going to happen here off the open. Let's see if we can have any trades here. Are we at 1,000 likes yet? Come on. Smash the like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the stream. We're so close to 27,000 subs. We're so close. We are currently at 26,987. So we only need 13 more people to sub to be 27,000 subs. Isn't that something? Oh, look at that. And we did it. We did 1,000 likes. Thank you, everybody. Looks like we're streaming for the open. How about that? Let's do the dang thing. Let's see if we can catch any trades here off the open. It'd be lovely. We did it. Amazing. See how easy that was? Now we don't have to do the whole thing where we're like waiting until the last minute. You know? So much easier this way. Always a buzzer beater. I don't know why. I don't know why either. It's weird. I've never understood it myself. Do you have a pivot point on ES? I'm just watching VWAP in the S&Ps. Gary says, steady ICT for 18 months, one single payout, switch to momentum trading in December. I'm one $200 a day away from taking $12,000 across from 4 accounts. That's the truth and keeping things simple. Way to go there, Gary. Sick. Yeah, I'd appreciate everybody who did like the video. I appreciate anybody who subs as well. How close are we to 27,000? We are 7 away. All we need is 7 people to click the subscribe button. We get 27,000 subs. That'd be nice. That would be lovely. Would love to see that. Let's see here. Do we have tunes lined up for? Yes, we do. We got jams lined up for the open here. I think we're going to be good. I'm going to take a quick little restroom break. Don't go anywhere, folks. I'll be right here with you in just a moment here. And we're back. We made it. We are right now still underneath that 497 level. It'll be interesting to see if we end up cracking that. Look at, we got to 1,100 likes. You folks are rock stars. I appreciate all of you. I think today could be tremendously difficult and tricky, but let's see. I'm here for it either way. See how it shakes out, shall we? Did we hit 27,000? Did we? No way. Let's see. Let's see. We are at... Yo, thank you. You did it. Thank you, everybody. 27,000 subs. I didn't even prepare a speech for this. Amazing. Folks are too good. So, here we are waiting for the open. In 3.5 minutes, we're going to try our best to navigate some trades here in our Top Step Live funded account. We'll do our best. I'd like to end the year on a high note, so we'll see if we have any nice setups that we could take. Are you live every day? How come I'm just seeing this now? I don't know. You're missing out. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications bell, turn on. We go live every single morning, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. That is what we do, Rip and Rich. Every single day, believe it or not. That's what we do. Yeah, we got over 1,000 likes as well. We are 2.5 minutes now from the market open. 2.5 minutes here. Yeah, it is the last trading day of the year, folks, so you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Don't forget the disclaimer. Here you go. This stream is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a professional. Most traders do lose money. Just remember, this is all entertainment. Don't follow me in any trades. What are you thinking? Don't do that. Don't be a knucklehead. Let's just have some funs. Some funsies. 2 minutes. 2-minute warning, everybody. Market flushing straight. Wow, Nvidia's hitting the floor. That was Nvidia that just kind of puked a little bit there. Straight down to 138. Hurting some feelings this morning. All right, everybody, let's try our best here off this open. We are 90 seconds away from the final trading day, the final New York Open of 2024. Let's do our best here. Market is open for the entire day today. It is a full day of trade. If you do decide to trade it yourself, let's see how this shapes out. We got 1 minute here, 1 minute until the open, everybody. 1 minute. How do you see Nvidia moving with the market still not open? It's pre-market. There's a pre-market trade. There's now 24 hours trading too. All right, everybody, 45 seconds. Remember, there's a delay on the stream. Do not follow me into any trades. Just enjoy the entertainment, because that's all this is, just entertainment. If S&Ps break below 59.67, this thing could dump heavily. Very heavily. We are right now bouncing or touching the 50 EMA in Nvidia here. Well, let's see how this shakes out, shall we? Here we go. Markets are open. Good luck, everybody. This is the final trading session of the year, folks. So please be careful. I feel like there's a lot of algorithms that haven't turned on yet. But it is also the last trading day of the year, so it's a little wonky. Okay, there we go. We got some more turning on there. S&Ps are just kind of flat open. Let's see what's that's looking like over there. Yeah, it's starting to push a little bit higher. Nvidia does not have the same temperament of the other Magnificent 7 instruments right now. Nvidia going straight down. We're seeing the other elements pumping. So if we had a reversal out of Nvidia, I could see the NASDAQ starting to follow suit there as well. Very wishy-washy here. Currently bouncing at 60s. Nvidia still going straight down. See, we break below 50s here in the S&P, or sorry, in the NASDAQ. Nvidia is just getting crushed right now. I'm going to try this short through the 50s here. We are breaking below. So I would like to see this below 40s now. I'm going to add into that for this break below. See if we can get this to cut lower because of Nvidia. Watching here at 37. If we could break that 37 level, that would be quite lovely. S&P's kind of holding the line there at the VWAP. Big bounce there at 37, not ideal. Let's see if we have this cut back down below these 60s. I want to see a break of 50s here. Back below. And they're kind of pinning it at these 50s. See if we cut back below these 50s. Adding for that break back below. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to take that off. Okay, so good. That worked. That 37 level is tricky. We got the exchange of liquidity that we wanted for that little tuck below 37. I'm just watching now if there's a follow-up trade here. Nvidia's not doing us any favors, is it? Let's see if there's a follow-up trade here. We missed it. Let's see what happens at 97 here. Yeah, this thing is really starting to push. Nvidia having a monstrosity of a bounce here. Watching back at these 80s for a potential move back up. This is choppy. This is very choppy here. You know, Nvidia is kind of dropping a dukes in the punch bowl here for us. But the market is definitely moving very, very quickly here. I'd like to see more confluence. But we're just not getting that confluence, are we? But we can be patient. We can be patient. The point of control is showing us kind of what this market is trying to tell us, which is it's very choppy. We've had the point of control at 60, 75, 37, 63, 37, and 70. All in the span of 5 minutes. So if that doesn't tell you that this is a choppy open, I don't know what the would. Point of control dancing around that much in 5 minutes. Holy smokes. They have a Spanish term for this type of price action. They call it la basura. La sucia basura, I believe is the technical term in Spanish. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to find a follow-up trade for us. I'm just not seeing it. This ain't it. This ain't it. I don't think this is it. This is a steaming pile of an open. I'm not happy about this open. I wanted to give you folks a real nice trade. We made whatever, $1,100 off the open here. We're up almost $2,000. As bad as I want to short this thing below 37s now, I just don't think I can do it. I can't bring myself to do it without the confluence of the market. Even though we're seeing a lot of red in the Mag 7 here, I just don't know if I could do it, folks. Google and Microsoft are saying don't do it. The rest of the Mag 7 is saying do it. Short this thing, but no, I can't. I feel irresponsible doing that. Yeah. So there it is, a little bit lower, but I don't know if we have continuation. Little bounce from Nvidia there. This was the original trade that I was looking for off the open that I thought we would have had, but the rest of the Mag 7 wasn't ready yet. And it's just too unpredictable on where you're going to get these bounces from for me to hold the trade like this. You see what I'm saying? We already bounced almost 20 points there off the lows. So it makes it extremely difficult to trade this price action. And I just feel like I want to go into my poker session today in the green. We had a great stream together. We streamed into the open here with almost 2,500 folks. The next target to the downside, if we do actually break below 400s, which is going to be a tall order, would be as low as 366, but we're going to have more confluence, right? We're going to have Microsoft really coming down. Chris Flores says, what? Rips, I accidentally found you this morning since Top Step took the day off. Well, welcome. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, of course, with your notifications turned on. I stream every single morning, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So even if you want to stop by before Top Step TV starts, we're here every day. Boy, this thing is now coming down. Boy, I wish we had this trade when we were on it. Ain't that the truth? All right, here's the big break of the S&Ps. This is the VWAP of the S&Ps here. This is starting to really come down. But this is usually the area where we'd see a bounce because the S&P VWAP. So we're kind of like in the midst of this liquidity. We do have room down to 66 here. We're wrestling right now at these 80s. See if we get a pop back up to 400 or so. Still no bounce from the S&Ps. Okay, so there's that pop to 400. Let's see what they do for defense here. All right, I'm going to take that short since we rejected that 400 level. See if we can get down below those 80s now. Looking for 66 as a target. I don't know if we'll break these 80s with ease, though. Watching here at 80s. A little too much of a hesitation there at 80s. I'm going to take that off. We didn't break it. When the market doesn't have that decisive movement, I got to take that off. So, hey, we made it over $2,000. I feel a little bit better. I feel slightly better about our P&L now. Everything's still coming down, too. I don't know why the NQ didn't break those 80s very quickly. Might go for another try here at these 80s. Again, 66 is the target for the downside. It's really showing a lot of pressure here at these 80s. Let's just watch and see. Because the S&Ps look like they just want to roll. But when you see that hesitation at the 80s like that, I got to take that off. How much are the fees on the platform you play on? There's no commissions on Top Step X. 0 commissions. Yeah, you know, I might just do the old thing where I lock it up here and call it a 2024. What do we think? If we think that we should lock it, drop a W in chat. What do you say? I feel like we had a good day. $2,100. Right? We lock it up. We lock it up. I really want to see what happens at 66s if we make it down there. But this is not... I don't like how long we're hesitating at these 80s. But the more that we're pushing down on these 80s, the more likely it is we're actually going to blow through this. All right, lots of W's in chat. I'll take your advice, everybody. I'm going to lock out all day. Bing, bong, boom. There we go. We are up $2,100 today in our Top Step Live funded account. That was a lot of fun. We had a good time. Really enjoyed that. If you do enjoy the stream, folks, it's really easy. All you ought to do is just click that subscribe button. You make sure your notifications bell is turned on right there. And you can catch me every single morning, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. I won't be live tomorrow because the markets are closed, and that'd be awkward. There's that break of 80s. Good golly, Miss Molly. There she goes. But look at that. How much liquidity there is at those 70s. Oh, my goodness. Be careful if you're short. Watch out for bounces, right? What are you trading on? I'm trading on Celsius right now. This is Cosmic Vibe. That's what I'm trading on. What are you trading on over there? Vic Vice says, qualified for my first payout. Did anybody out there take similar trades like the ones that I was taking? Anybody take some similar trades as me? I feel like we were reading the market decently. We got a little scalpacito this way, got a little bit that way, you know? See, that's what I was afraid of. Look at that bounce off the 70s. 30 handles straight to the moon. That's what I was afraid of. You just can't predict a market like this. It's very difficult. I think being patient and waiting, if you are going to continue to trade, me personally, I'm probably going to take a nap because I got to get ready for my poker game. So. But look at that. Wow, exploding to the top side. Like nobody's business here. A celebratory explosion to the top side. Renato says, lock myself out of a 2,000, 50% left to go of 100K combine. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, buddy. Way to go. Arya, no, I'm going to be playing the Bellagio today in Bobby's room. We have a very decent lineup today, and it's going to be a very big game. The kind of game that gets you a little puckered up. It's going to be a pucker session, you know? It's going to be a little bit crazy. Manrique says, up $1,000. Should I lock it up? What do we think, folks? Should Manrique lock it up? What do we think? Should Manrique lock it up? I love that. Lock it up. Daniel Perkins says, thanks for always showing your trades and not hiding them like other YouTubers. I'm always going to show my trades. I have nothing to hide. I always will. Donnie says, Happy New Year's, Rips. You've made me a better trader and a better person through all your valuable insights on this year. It's all you, buddy. Don't give me any credit for that. You're crazy. John Jones says, I like watching you on Top Step, but this is the first time I've ever watched you on your own stream. Well, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you are subscribed. Like I said, we go live here every single Monday through Friday. We just passed 27,000 subscribers, so I appreciate everybody who clicked that button. It means a lot. We will be back on Thursday. We're going to be trading jobless claims together. And that's the beauty of going live so early. We get to trade all of the newsprints together, which is a lot of fun. Victor says 15,000 on options with that short. Nice end of the year. Have fun. Nice work there, buddy. Way to go. So do remember this evening, if you are going to enjoy yourself and have a little bit of fun, please make a promise to me, and let's all promise this to one another right now. It's perfectly fine to drink, right? It's perfectly fine to partake in anything you want to do. It's your life. Do whatever you want to do. But do me one very big, solid favor tonight. Do not, I mean no exceptions, do not drink and drive. Tonight of all nights, and I mean this for all nights, do not drink and drive. There's this wonderful service called Uber. There's another one called Lyft. Take an Uber, take a Lyft. It's way cheaper than what you can do to ruin and f*** up your entire life by drinking and driving. I don't care if you feel like, I'm just a little bit buzzed. It's no big deal. I'm going down the street. Dude, just get your car tomorrow. Take an Uber, take a Lyft. Seriously, don't f*** up your life. It's really stupid. Don't drink and drive. Don't ruin your life because you made a stupid decision, and be around people who are going to support you through that decision and saying, hey, dude, you've had something to drink? Call yourself an Uber. Here's the cool part about this. Your car is going to be there tomorrow. All right? So don't drink and drive. Watch out for crazy people on the road. Please, please, please take care of yourselves. Spend time with your loved ones today. We only get so many New Year's in our lives, so let's make this one count. I appreciate everybody who tuned in to the stream this year. 2024 was an excellent year, and I appreciate everybody riding with me. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of amazing, amazing days together, and I'm very thankful. And I'm always touched by the stories that I get from the DMs from everybody who's DMing me and telling me about their progress in their own trading journeys, their ups, their downs. It means a lot to me. And I try to respond to every single one of you who DMs me, and I appreciate all of you who reach out to me. It means a lot. I like to be as much of the person that I can be to be in your corner, cheering you on and rooting for you. And if you don't have anybody in your trading journey that's rooting for you, my DMs are open. I'll always cheer for you. Before we go, let's do a quick Market Clubhouse free month giveaway. Let's do that before we go, folks. Been sticking around. I know that's always a fun thing that we can do in here. All right, let's do a quick giveaway right here. This one's going to be really, hold on, let me end the poll first. Still got a lot of bowls in chat. Wow, look at that bounce, by the way. My gosh, it's almost 100 handles straight back up. So this one's going to be super duper easy, folks. Really easy to win this giveaway, I promise. I'm going to give you a link to click. Give you a link to click here. Man, these tunes are kicking. All right, so you're going to click this link right here. Click that link. The page is going to load. You're going to find a word on that page. Okay? You're going to find a word on that page. I want you to scroll down all the way to where it says Top Step X. And it says the blank trading experience. Type in the word that you see in yellow. Type it in chat one single time. Do not type it in more than once. Type it in one single time. Just the one word. Type it in one single time. There you go. You got it, folks. That's the one. That's the one. You got it. You nailed it. Can't slip anything past you, folks. You nailed it. There it is. Type it in the word ultimate. Type it in one single time. If you type it in more than once, you will be disqualified from the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 free months of Clubhouse. It. I'll give away 5. Let's do 5 free months of Clubhouse here. If you already are a member of Clubhouse, just type it in the YouTube chat. Type in the word ultimate. That's all you need to do. Type it in one single time. If you're a member of the YouTube VIP chat club, you do get 10x the luck. 10x the luck for you if you are a VIP chat member. We're going to give away 5. We're going to blow these out. Remember, you have to be following me on Instagram and Twitter. That's how the giveaways work. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. When you do win the giveaway, all you have to do is tell me whatever your Instagram or Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, whatever your username is. Jose, you want to be typing that in the YouTube chat, my friend. In the YouTube chat, one single time. All right, everybody. We got 460 people here in the giveaway. We'll wait until that gets about to 500. And like I said, When you win, all you have to do is type in your username. I'm going to ask you, what is your username on Instagram? What is your username on Twitter? You have to be following me. If you're not following me, you do not qualify. Did the market just come right back down? Oh my goodness. Yeah, good luck trading this thing. This is just disgusting. I am not a big fan of this type of price action myself. My Instagram is right here, at Selling Rips. At Selling Rips. I have a blue check mark on Twitter and a blue check mark on Instagram. If anybody messages you as a Rips personality and they don't have a blue check mark, guess what? It's not me. It ain't me. We're trying to get to 10,000 followers here on Instagram. We're very close. Extremely close. Let's see what we're at right now. We are at 97.27. Oh my goodness. So close. 273 away. What is the prize? 1 million USD. Not today, maybe tomorrow. We'll do that on tomorrow's stream. I'm not streaming tomorrow. There is no Rips coin, I know. Yeah, there is no Rips coin. All right, here we go, everybody. We're going to roll for the first one. We're giving away 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and bingo. Tadas, you have won the free month of Clubhouse. What is your Instagram or Twitter username? I'm going to message you right now. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. You get 1 minute to claim this, my friend. 1 minute. Come on down. You are the next contestant on Win a Big One. Whatever that means. All right, come on. 20 more seconds, 25 more seconds here. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. If you don't claim it, we're going to give it to somebody else. Come on down to DOS. Hey, there we go. All right, let's get you in here. Let's make sure you're following me. I'm guessing that's on Twitter. Let's see. Twitter. Yes, and you do follow me. Congratulations to our first winner. Nice. All right, here you go. I'm sending you the coupon code right now. Check your DMs, my friend, on Twitter. There you go. All right, we're rolling again here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and boom. Keegan Trades, you are our next winner. This is winner number 2 out of 5. Number 2 out of 5. Come on, Keegan, come on down. You got 1 minute to claim. Make sure you are caught up live to the stream here so you don't miss it if you are winning the giveaway here. Where's the chat? You're in it right now, Leah. Just type in the word ultimate. Keegan does it. Love that name. Let's see. On X, let's see if you're following me. Yes, you are. Give it up for Keegan Trades in the building. Nice. I see that you are a longtime viewer. Thank you for tuning in. There you go, Keegan. There's your free month. We're rolling it again. Here we go. This is winner number 3. National. Oh, buddy. Is that the same National that I know and love? If it is, let's see here. Oh, National. I believe that's you. Go ahead and add a free month for you. Yes, sir. All right, cool. Adding in a free month for Mr. National. You've won a lot of giveaways, my friend. I love that. All right, you're good until February 14th. Valentine's Day, right? All right, next. This is number, what is this? What are we on? 3? No, this is 4. Here we go. Bing bang, Mike. Oh yeah, you're a channel member too. Look at that. Channel members are winning today. Mike, what's your Instagram? What's your YouTube? Or sorry, your Twitter. Your Twitter. Ba-da-doop, boop, boop, boo-doop. Ba-doop, ba-doop, boo-doop. All right, Mike, let's see. If you follow me. Yes, you do. There you go. Nice work, buddy. And you've won before. I love this. Look at this. We have repeat winners. I love it. I'm telling you, if you're a channel VIP. There you go, my friend. He won on March 8th. Give it up. Almost a full year ago. You're the best. All right, final winner of 2024. Actually, you know what? We'll do 2 more. Here we go. First one. Dank Lounge. What is your Instagram or Twitter username? Come on, Dank Lounge. What is it? What is it? What is it? Come on. Come on, Dank Lounge. You got it, National. Love you, buddy. Blissfully dissatisfied. What is that I see? Is that... Oh, my goodness. Look at you go. Well done. All right, Dank Lounge, you got about 30 more seconds. We got 2 more free months to give away. You're one of them. So if you don't claim it, we're going to give it to other people. Just come on down. All right, 15 more seconds here. Come on, Dank Lounge, you can do this. I hope they didn't leave too early. Come on, Dank Lounge. All right, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Missed trading. Missed trading. You have one. Missed trading. You are the next winner. Free month of Clubhouse. You have 50 seconds to claim. 50. 5-0. Come on down, Mist. We were on such a roll, too. The couch got him. Come on down, Mist. If you don't claim this in 30 seconds, we're giving it to somebody else. This is why it pays to stick around here. You never know when somebody's not going to claim it. Love you on Tops of TV, Rips, but anytime I tune into your channel, you're only doing giveaways. Well, tune in a little bit earlier. A little bit earlier. And you can always rewind the stream if you missed any of the trades that we took today. All right, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Michael Ting. Michael Ting, Michael Ting. Come on down. Remember, you only have to type it in once. Okay, Michael Ting, what is your username? Instagram or YouTube? Or I'm sorry, Instagram or X. I'm in MC. What is your what's your thing on MC? What's your thing? What's your thing? Let me see if I can find you. Searching by your name. Okay, I found you. All right, sweet. Let me get you here. You are good until February 6th. I'm still giving away two more. Here we go, everybody. Boom. Empowerment TV. Still have 2 more to give away here. Because anybody who's already an MC, I got 5 coupon codes to give out here. Empowerment TV, come on down. I'm just blowing them out today. Can you choose me without that random thing? I can't. I got to make it fair for everybody. Empowerment TV, come on. Less than 30 seconds to claim. Okay, what is your username? On X or on Twitter? Dude, okay, X or Instagram. Why can't I say this? What is it? Give me your username. Empowerment TV. I gotta put you on the clock for 1 minute here. 1 minute. Okay, there we go. Bingo, bango. Yes, and you do follow me. Let's go. Yes. All right, we got one more, folks. One more. Remember, check your DMs. That's where I'm sending the coupon code. Make sure you have a check mark. That's me. I got the blue check mark. All right, here we go. Last and final winner of 2024. Here we go. It is Coon Plays. You've won the giveaway. This is the final winner. If they do claim it, the final winner of 2024. This is it. The final winner. Will they claim it? They have 45 seconds. Everybody's on pins and needles right now. You never know. They might not claim it. You never know. I have a spoofer on X. Yes, I know. Do not ever reply. Just report them. They don't have a blue check mark. All right, Niklas. Let's see if you follow me here on X. And you do. Give it up for our final winner of 2024. Congratulations to all of our winners for today. I really appreciate every single one of you tuning in today. It means the world to me. And like I said, don't drink and drive. Have a very happy new year, everybody. I will see everybody in the new year for 2025. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit the like on the way out. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. The username is Selling Rips. It's going to pop up right there. There it is. Twitter and Instagram at Selling Rips. Make sure you follow me there. Everybody, I'll see you on Thursday, 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time. And I hope you all have a safe and wonderful New Year's Eve tonight. And let's have a prosperous and wonderful 2025 together. We'll do it together, folks. We'll do it together. Take care, everybody. I'll see you, folks, in the new year. Have a great day. Bye-bye.